Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna sharing how to get the perfect matte base. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before applying makeup, you have to prepare your skin for that. For that you have to apply moisturizer. It doesn't matter if your skin is oily or dry. Moisturizer is must. But you can take a less amount of moisturizer if your skin is oily. Massage your face a little bit for good blood circulation. Wait for a while so that the product will absorb by your skin. Here I am using Melia face primer oil. It's a silicone based primer. I love silicone based primers because they give a perfect finish and hides your open pores and gives a perfect canvas for the rest of makeup. Always apply a little bit of primer because in makeup a little more may be too much. Always buy primer according to your skin type. Apply more in the areas where you have large or more open pores. Now again wait for a while to get the product absorbed into your skin. Always wait a while after application of any product to get it absorbed into your skin properly, so that it works in a more proper way. Application of primer. Now you can apply foundation. There are three ways to apply foundation. Firstly, you can directly apply it with your fingers. There is nothing wrong with applying foundation with your finger. It will give you a medium coverage. And if you apply your foundation with a blender, it will give you a less coverage and a natural look. And the third way to apply the foundation is to use a brush to blend the foundation. You can use any brush. Always buy foundation according to your skin type, according to your undertones, according to your skin tone. So many variants of foundation in the market, you can just simply take it according to your skin. Now here I am blending my foundation with the fingers before blending it with the brush. It makes the application of foundation easier and more faster. You can blend the foundation the way you want it because there are no rules in makeup. Applied the foundation on my neck and my ears too. Always apply foundation on your neck, your ears. Mostly people forget to apply their foundation on the neck and ears. Apply a little more foundation on the areas where you have a little pigmentation. Use any setting powder or loose powder to set your foundation base. So apply the loose powder on your highlighted areas such as your cheekbones, your nose, your forehead and your chin. After the application of loose powder, you have to wait 5 to 10 minutes for baking of your foundation, so that the foundation will set into your skin and stays for hours. Go and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed it till now. After applying loose powder, you have to wait for 5 to 10 minutes so that your loose powder makes your foundation totally bake and stays for a longer time. And with this, your foundation will never slips with its position. After 5 minutes, simply remove the loose powder. Don't remove the whole powder, just remove the excess. Don't be so harsh with the brush, just use a light hand for this. Simply brush it on your face for the even tone. So if you enjoyed watching my video, then give a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon to get notified for my upcoming uploads. Comment down that which type of videos you want from me. Thanks for watching.